Good afternoon, good evening to you or wherever you are watching me from. This is MJ Farm Base again, live on your screen. This is our okra farm. As you can see, a lot of them have germinated, but it's obvious there are some grasshoppers disturbing it. This is how they look like. This is the size as of 2 weeks now. Yeah, this is it in your shot. So we've decided to apply chemicals tomorrow to prevent the damage furthermore. So what we are coming to apply will be fungicide and insecticide. So if there's any insect disturbing the okra crop, it will just kill some of them and scare the rest away. If there's fungicide, if there's any disease attacking the okra leaves, it will also fight against it. Anyway, so far they are doing well. They've had much broader flowers, leaves now. So yeah, you can see it in your shot. That is it. They are doing well. They are doing well. And on this very farm, it's a 1 acre farm. From the first video we posted, some people were asking we should give detailed information about the whole farm. Now, before the progress is underway, so we'll be giving the detailed description or detailed farming on this very farm into the videos. Yeah. So let me take you through again. This is an 1 acre okra farm. The type of seed we got was about the very name is Asontem. I will show you how the container looks like in case you are looking for similar thing to buy. Yep, this is how it looks like. So you can see a clear picture in my previous okra farm video. So when you see it, you see the direct image of how the okra looks like in that very section. Now, from clearing the land, you have to, before you start a farm, you have to acquire land. So already, fortunately for us, we have about 200 acres free land somewhere. So for us, land wasn't a challenge. But if you are watching me and you don't have a land, you have to acquire some. So it ranges from area to area. Some people in certain areas, they charge an acre for 200 cedi, some people for 500 cedi, some people for 400 cedi. So that is it. So just budget between 200 and 500 for land. Secondly, this 1 acre farm, one kilogram of a seed, which is the image I've shown you people. Okay, so now the cost of the seed is that we bought was about 250 cedis for one. For us not to take our chances, we bought two. So in case, even if some did not germinate and we have to do filling in, we will be able to use the second one that we were required to do so. So we bought two. So I don't know in your case you are going to do 10 acres or 15 acres, 20 acres. Just do the mass and you will follow through. Now, after that, we bought insecticides. Okay, let me start afresh. Acquiring the land, clearing of land. We cleared this land for about 400 cedis. They used cutlass to clear it. We didn't plow because it's been here for about 2 or 3 years. No farm has been produced on this land since then. So we deemed it fertile to plant any other crop here. So after clearing the land, they took us 400 cedis. I allowed the grasses to grow a little bit, and I applied the chemical on it, weedicide. You can apply any weedicide of your choice. Mind you, if you can see in your shot at the end of the cassava farm there are a lot of thatch. Some weedicides are not good for spraying thatch. We did use a particular weedicide. I'm not going to mention name because we will not be advertising for anybody, or we are not condemning any weedicide. But from our own experience, that is the situation on the ground. So when you are going to buy a weedicide, if there is a thatch, if you have thatch there, ask the agronomist or whoever, or the chemist selling the agrochemicals, that the ones that can kill thatch. Yeah. So after that, after preparing the farm, we realized that there were a lot of grasshoppers flying around, and those grasshoppers, they they are threat to the farm. By then, we've not even yet planted any okro here, but there were grasshoppers on the field. So we decided to spray it off to prevent or control the presence of insects on the land. Now, we bought about one can of insecticide, one container of insecticide, which was about 65 or 70 cedi, depending on the very type you want to use. After we bought that, we applied the weedicide, the insecticide, to fight against the insects on the food. Now, from there, we've decided to plant. The planting took place. So if you've not seen the planting video or the or the explanations from here very clearly, you can visit that video too and just pile it up, and you follow through with all the information we are giving out. So after applying the insecticide, we planted on the food. So it took us about 4 to 5 days to start seeing the germination of the okro. In actual fact, we gave it a little bit of time, about 10 days, to see if all will come out. And honest, all didn't come out as expected. So we had about 75% of germination. So it's a little bit okay. So we decided to do filling in for those ones which have not germinated. We decided to fill in some to be able to meet our exact production at the end of this farm season. So basically, that is the little information so far about this farm. So from now on, we'll be spraying the insecticide again, because the okro plantation is under threat from grasshoppers. We will apply that and add a little bit of fungicide to control any fungus disease that is here to attack it. So we are doing preventive control. So thank you for watching. Keep up to this channel. We'll be giving you more information about this okro farm journey. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos to people to see our farm. Thank you. Now this is the fungicide we got. sulfur fungicide. This is how it looks like, in case you also want to buy similar thing to apply to your okro farm. This one is an insecticide, leopard. This is what they've prescribed for me from my technical men. So these two very chemicals is what we are going to apply on the farm. Earlier on, I made mention of grasshopper infestation. So we are going to use the insecticide to control that. So from the direction, we will be using 20 milliliter of the leopard insecticide to spray the farm. And you watch closely to monitor and see how effective that is. After that, in 2 days time, we will apply the sulfur based fungicide to the crop to prevent any disease attacking the okro leaves. So this is how they looks like. This is how they look like. So you can also find out if this is exact match for your production that you are doing to prevent fungi disease and infestation of pests on your farm. Remember to subscribe to follow us through this journey, so that we'll be giving you every details about this farm production. Thank you. See you in our next video.